truly horrifying. I can't believe the destruction. Now the journey of creating the chips in many forms from hand to machine is amazing. Professional S Pilu Steel MS-462 as one with the powerful machine. As soon as it starts, the roar is strong. The saw blade glides through each wood as if tearing the wind. Not only light and flexible, the powerful horsepower engine also helps the worker work precisely and effectively, turning each cut into the art of strength and skill. Impressive. The amazing transformation takes place right in the factory, where powerful horsepower engines operate non-stop. From huge raw logs, modern machinery cuts and saws precisely, creating durable building panels. This process demonstrates the power and sophistication of wood manufacturing technology. Wood chips from these things. Not only crazy, but dangerous. The powerful engine roared. The saw blade spun like a tornado, ready to crush anything in their way. The power was beyond imagination, making everyone wary. Next, the Duxon FX121 roars like a steel beast in the deep forest. From the very first sound, it makes the whole forest shiver. Not only is it powerful, the cutting head rotates flexibly, cutting down giant tree trunks in the blink of an eye. Even more amazing, the maximum horsepower engine operates stably on all terrains, turning forest felling into a chilling performance. Impressive. The powerful horsepower engine of the Manipulacni Vosik Bulger and Zembrod OBXVC makes transporting logs easy and fast. Not only that, with its outstanding traction and high maneuverability, this truck moves smoothly on difficult terrain, optimizing work efficiency in the forest, providing superior strength and durability for any log transport task. Immediately after, the powerful engine of the Steel MS-880 roared loudly, demonstrating its superior power. The sharp saw blade was agile, easily cutting through large tree trunks. Not only powerful, the machine also operates smoothly, helping the worker to control precisely and comfortably in all working situations. The powerful horsepower engines of the Steel MS-500i and Husqvarna 395XP work together to deliver outstanding logging performance. Sharp, responsive saw blades make quick work of large tree trunks. Not only are they durable, they also optimize power and precision in all forest work. A tour of the Oregon mill plant shows continuous, powerful, and precise operation. Each sawmill operates in sync, trimming each piece of raw wood into a finished product. The scene is a living testament to the power and superior efficiency of modern woodworking technology. Amazing. The powerful engine of the heavy-duty log truck easily climbs steep hills. The superior traction helps the truck climb steep hills without any problems. The machine operates durably, ensuring the safe and efficient transportation of large volumes of goods, making an important contribution to the logging industry. What a feast for the eyes. The powerful engine of the Komatsu 895 in Jamtland operates strongly and durably, easily conquering large, heavy logs. The sturdy design combined with superior traction helps the machine operate effectively on difficult terrain, providing maximum productivity and absolute reliability in all logging tasks. The powerful horsepower engine in the process of making pallet wood from tree trunks operates continuously, cutting each board precisely. Not only is it a wooden board, but it is also a high-quality, durable product for making pallets. In particular, each processing step at the factory demonstrates the strength and sophistication of modern wood processing technology. Not to be missed, the powerful horsepower motor of the Vermeer WC2300XL tree crusher operates durably, quickly crushing even large logs. Thanks to its outstanding performance and sturdy design, the machine makes wood processing easy, fast, and efficient, optimizing productivity in the woodworking industry. Next up is the powerful 4-feet log debarca from Shandong Yuechuan Machinery, powered by a superior horsepower motor. The machine peels off the bark of thick logs quickly and accurately, preparing the perfect raw material for plywood production. This scene demonstrates the power and high efficiency of modern woodworking technology. So lively. The powerful diesel engine, with its powerful horsepower of the tugboat axle glides smoothly on the Pilasjoki River. The roar of the engine, pulling the wooden boat across the cool water. The superior power of the engine helps the boat operate durably, conquering all challenges on this arduous journey. Have you ever seen the process of producing high-quality wood fiber for cooling machines? The powerful horsepower motor operates continuously, grinding and separating the wood fiber precisely, creating a smooth, uniform finished product. This scene represents the perfect combination of modern technology and engine power, bringing optimal efficiency in production. Have you ever witnessed the process of making a large oval swing by hand? It is amazing. Every step of the meticulous crafting, from cutting, bending to splicing, is done by skilled hands. This scene shows the perfect combination of traditional techniques and patience, creating a unique and durable product. The power of the Timber Pro TL745D is impressive. Its high horsepower engine helps it cut trees quickly and accurately in the New Hampshire woods. With its outstanding breakthrough ability, the machine operates powerfully, easily handling large logs, providing optimal efficiency in harsh logging work. Can't take your eyes off. The powerful horsepower engine of the WG24 PTO stump grinder works with the Cat 953C and 750J Deere to crush tree stumps and handle large piles of wood next to a raging fire. The superior power makes the work quick and efficient, demonstrating the machine's durability and superior ability in harsh conditions. After harvesting the wood, the removal of tree stump residue is handled by the CBI 5400 stump grinder in combination with the Caterpillar 324E excavator. With its powerful performance, the machine quickly and efficiently removes stumps, clearing the area for the next steps in the process. Wow, this 50 horsepower homemade wood processor is a real beast. The powerful engine operates durably, crushing and cutting wood quickly and efficiently. Each piece of wood is processed neatly, saving time and effort, making difficult work easier than ever. The Steel MS 500i's powerful engine works efficiently in the forest, easily handling the massive 9.15 cubic meters of logs. The roar of the engine and the sharp, fast-moving saw blade delivers superior power and precision, making logging work faster and safer than ever. Oh my God, unbelievable. Have you ever witnessed the power of the Steel MS 462? Harry, with his superior horsepower engine, easily cuts down hard oak. The engine roars loudly. The sharp saw blade cuts through the tree trunk firmly. Was word insane when Nix is, when there is nothing left, Harry's strength and skill along with the machine still helps to complete the job excellently. The horsepower of the Peterbilt Logging 359 Classic is unbelievable. With its superior climbing ability, this heavy-duty truck can easily conquer the biggest hills. The durable and powerful engine helps transport large volumes of logs efficiently, ensuring that logging operations run smoothly and safely. With the powerful horsepower engine of the WG24 PTO tree stump grinder operating continuously, quickly crushing all hard tree stumps. With outstanding performance and durable design, the machine brings high efficiency in cleaning the ground, making the tree stump processing process easy and saving significant time. A testament to the superiority of John Deere 753J technology combined with the DH-150 air mulching accessory and powerful tilt system. The machine crushes grass and forest waste quickly and effectively on all terrains. Outstanding power makes cleaning and preparing the ground easy, precise, and time-saving. It's an impressive sight, a giant sawmill working nonstop, demonstrating incredible power and technology in action. Amazing. The powerful horsepower engines that produce safety matches in developing countries operate nonstop. Each step from cutting, coating to packaging is done quickly and precisely. This scene is a vivid demonstration of the combination of machine power and manual techniques to create a useful and quality product.